In this video, we're looking at estimating the product of multiplication of decimal numbers. We've talked about this already. Always really important to do when you have a decimal number. I always think you should estimate ahead of time of multiplying or doing any calculation because it's important that you think about the question so you don't make silly mistakes. So following the instructions, estimate the product, round each number to its greatest place value, then multiply. So this is in the tens, the 60s. So we're going to round to the nearest 10. So 65 rounds up to 70. And then times, so again, that one's 10.61. Its greatest place value is its tens, so that rounds to 10. So 70 times 10, the product is going to be approximately 700. Pretty straightforward. In this example, it says estimate the product, round each factor to the nearest whole number, and then multiply. So 0.598, or 0 and 598 thousandths, simply rounds to 1. And 2.672, we only need to look at the 2.6, rounds to 3. So 1 times 3, our product is going to be approximately 3. And our last example for this video, estimate the product, round each factor to the nearest whole number, then multiply. 19.6 rounds to 20, times 11.7 rounds to 12. 20 times 12. So I think, okay, 2 times 12 is 24. Add the 0. So it's going to be somewhere around 240. That's it for this video. Good luck with this section.